Because of the generations before us, they have made us who we are today.
Isabella Di Vicari learned the art of authentic Italian cooking at her grandmother's side.
Hi guys, welcome to the Meatball Stop.
In her popular eatery, the Meatball Stop, she's offering options beyond the traditional carb-laden feast.
Imagine our meatballs over a white bean ragu, or imagine the meatballs over creamy polenta, or our shop salad. Madonna mia, if my nonna was listening, she'd be turning in her grave right now. She's gonna say, Sabella, what's the matter with you? What are you doing with my meatballs, all right?
One of Isabella's favorites, the Mediterranean meatball, blends Greek and Italian heritage.
So look at these fabulous ingredients. All I'm gonna do is put them all in the food processor, except two, so stand by. We have a red onion that's gonna go in, 3 cloves of garlic, aglio, of course, in Italiano, 2 eggs, ova, kosher salt and cayenne pepper. I love cumin, cumino, some fresh Greek yogurt. All right, a little more wonderful mint. Gotta have that mint. And of course, latte milk. So now they're all in the food processor. Watch this. As my nonna would say, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Isabella pours the mixture on top of ground lamb and gently works in breadcrumbs. An ice cream scoop ensures an even form. She bakes for 15 minutes at 375.
Oh, they're hot, so be careful.
Topped with a homemade Greek tzatziki sauce.
Medicine for your soul.
I'm Jessica Sanchez reporting.